started. And by party, I mean meditation. So, if you need to shake out any energy, get it out, get into a position that's comfortable for you, whatever that means for you. Take a deep breath and let it all drop. If it's helpful to scan through your body and imagine releasing the tension from each part, you are free to do that. Imagine a river of relaxing peace flow from the top of your head, caressing down your ears and face, dissolving any tension, going down your neck, down your shoulders and arms, across your chest, under your armpits, down your back, stomach, hips, across to the base of your spine, all around your thighs, past your knees, ankles, balls of your heels, soles of your feet, and the tips of your toes. Let peace wash over your whole body. And that river will constantly be flowing as we continue. Let your breath find a natural pace and depth. No part of it needs to be forced, just a sentiment of peace carrying into you with each inhale and relief carrying out of you with each exhale. Imagine that in each inhale you take in all of the peace in the world and you incorporate that into your being. And on each exhale, we take in all of the intention of the body and distribute it where it needs to go elsewhere in the universe. Inhale peace. Exhale tension. And in a few breaths, we're going to reverse our sentiment for the purpose of purifying the world. Now that we've purified ourselves with these breaths, on the inhale, we ask to take on a portion of the world's pain that we feel comfortable carrying, and no more. You imagine bringing peace to that pain, and on the exhale, you release it and give back to the world peace and something transformed. Maybe someone or something specific comes in mind, where you imagine breathing in their pain. And on the exhale, you release it and give them back only love. And in a few breaths, we complement that with the first technique and incorporate both on each inhale and exhale. That on the inhale, we imagine taking in both the peace and the suffering in the world, purifying ourselves with the peace and the world of its pain. And on the exhale, we imagine releasing our pain, dissolving it, and giving back peace to the world. This is known as renouncing the inner breath into the outer breath, and the outer breath into the inner breath. A multi-dimensional balancing between each breath and the sentiments between. And this continues as we meditate. Just as the river of relaxation pours down over and in our body, our inner and outer purification of breath continues. Love. We just dissolve into love. We imagine ourselves as a source of love. The world as a space for our love, and our body as the vehicle to give that love. And each part of the experience is immersed in love. Love coming, love expanding, love returning, nothing but love. And when you're ready, rub your fingers, your hands together. And put it over your eyes. Feel that warmth. And open your eyes if you had them closed. Thank you for listening.